Skip the dishes doesn't make it very convenient for us to update our market, at least they don't guide us on how to do so. But in this video, I will guide you on how to add a market to your location, how to remove a market to your location, because as a friendly skip the dishes driver, I know what it's like to start off in a market that you didn't want in the first place. Now, it's important when you start off, you need to be offline because in the top right hand corner, there's a question mark. But if you put yourself online with skip the dishes, that question mark goes away and we need that question mark in order to update our market. So let's go ahead on the top right hand corner and click that question mark. And then from there on the bottom, do you see that button that says update delivery zones? Let's go ahead and click there. Now, when the zones are in blue, you can't add a new zone because there's no white ones for you to select. However, to remove, simply click on the zone and then you have the option to remove it, or if you want, you can click cancel and keep the zone you have. So since there's no zones that I can add in my area, I got this screenshot for you. So if you can add a zone, it's shown like this with a white border outline. All you would do is click that zone and then you can add it to the mix. Keep in mind, with skip the dishes, you can add up to 4 zones at once. You can't go over without removing a zone. But I do hope that this helps you with adding or removing your zones with skip the dishes.